Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Standard test method for lightweight particles in aggregate, as per ASTM C123 and AASHTO T113 scope. This test method covers determining the percentage of lightweight particles in aggregate using sink-float separation in a heavy liquid of suitable specific gravity. Equipments: 1. Balances. Accurate to 0.1% of the test sample mass. 2. Containers. Suitable for immersing the aggregate sample in water. 3. Skimmer. A piece of 300 mm sieve cloth, conforming to specification E11-4. Oven. Capable of maintaining a temperature of 110 degrees pi 5 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees 9 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Sieve. Conforming to ASTM E11 specifications. 6. Hydrometer. The hydrometer used should be capable of measuring the liquid-specific gravity within 0.01 of the specified value. 7. Zinc chloride. 8. Liquid. A solution of zinc chloride in water for a specific gravity up to about 2.0. Sample requirement. Dry the test portion to constant mass at a temperature of 110.65 degrees Celsius, 236.9 degrees Fahrenheit before testing, and sieve to remove the undersized material. The minimum size of the test specimen shall be as follows. Nominal maximum size of aggregate. Minimum mass of sample, G 4.75 millimeters, 200. 19.0 millimeters 3000, 37.5 millimeters 5000, 75 millimeters. Sample preparation. 1. Fine aggregate. Allow the dried test specimen of fine aggregate to cool to room temperature and then sieve over a 300 micrometer sieve until less than 1% of the retained material passes the sieve in 1 min of continuous sieving. Determine the mass of the material coarser than the 300 micrometers, number 50, sieve to the nearest 0.1 degrees. 2. Coarse aggregate. Allow the dried test specimen of coarse aggregate to cool to room temperature and sieve over a 4.75 mm sieve. Determine the mass of the material coarser than the 4.75 mm, number 4, sieve to the nearest 1 gram. Test procedure. Introduce the prepared sample into the heavy liquid in a suitable container. The volume of liquid shall be at least 3 times the absolute volume of the aggregate. Using the skimmer, remove the particles that float to the surface and save them. Repeatedly agitate the remaining particles and remove the floating particles until no additional particles rise to the surface. Wash the particles which are skimmed off in an appropriate solvent to remove the heavy liquid. After the heavy liquid has been removed, allow the particles to dry. Determine the mass of the decanted particles to the nearest 1 g. If a more precise determination is required, dry the particles to constant mass at 110.65 degrees Celsius,